What do AIR2, Harshita Goyal and AIR3, Dongre, Archit, Parag have in common? Apart from securing top ranks in UPSC CSAT 2024, they both began their journey with the General Studies Foundation Course at VisionIAS. They didn't wait to feel ready. They built readiness step by step with structure, strategy and support. If you are feeling stuck, overwhelmed or unsure where to begin, that's not a flaw. It's a signal. A signal that what you need isn't more hours, it's a better direction. And that's exactly what the VisionIAS GS Foundation Course is built for. Here's how we guide you from day one. Structured step-by-step learning. Prelims, mains, CSAT and essay. All taught in a way that's easy to absorb and hard to forget. No fluff current affairs. PT 365 and Mains 365 filter out the noise, so you focus only on what matters. Mentorship that adapts to you. Real one-on-one support to fix your weak spots, refine your strengths and build your confidence. Test plus feedback loop. Not just marks, but meaningful feedback that helps you grow with each attempt. So don't just prepare harder, prepare smarter. With the same foundation that built toppers. Batch is starting from 28 April at 5 p.m., 29 April at 2 p.m., 30 April at 11 a.m. and 7th May at 8 a.m. at Karol Bagh, and 17th April at 6 p.m., 30 April at 8 a.m. at GTB Nagar.